Good morning, beautiful world. Today seems like a really peaceful day. Today's project or agenda is to at least try to start up the motor. So for that being, I need to do the grounds, I need to finish the fuel system, I need to do the conversion harness. Yeah, those are pretty much the things that need to be done today to at least try to start up the motor. Nothing guaranteed, but I have today and tomorrow, which is today's Wednesday and tomorrow's Thursday. Trying to get those things done. Right now I need to go to Ace Hardware to grab some washers, because I'll show you guys. Because for the K-Tune fuel rail, the stock washers that goes like in here doesn't really fit and it's still loose, so I'm just gonna get some washers and put it under here, and then so it should be pretty tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting that way right now. After I come back, I will start putting back the fuel rail together. I'll show you guys how I'm doing the conversion harness, and I'll be making grounds. I gotta to route the wires to the alternator, the starter, and the battery location. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I'll see if it turns on. Alright guys, so I'm already back home from Ace Hardware. Anyways, so I went with like a rubber washer, bushing, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit bigger than the stock one, so it's pretty nice. Well, we'll see if it works. I'm pretty sure it works. So I'm gonna put you guys down real quick, and I'll let you guys know if it works.
Every day just passing by, wanna feel your hand in mine. I'm gonna find the light, which is making me shine. This smile of yours, I'll never shut again, never wait again, I'll never shut again.
Alright guys, so as you can see, it's super sturdy now. Look at that, I can move the whole block like that. So the reason why I got the rubber one is because like if it needs to be tying more down, it just kind of squeezes itself in there. I do have metal washers just in case, but so far the injectors are perfectly inside, instead of like earlier it was kind of like it had like a little space between them, but now they're perfectly inside, so everything seems to be good. So yeah. Alright guys, so we went with Hybrid Racing conversion harness. This is for the 99 to 2000 chassis. So I'll be showing you guys how to install this into the chassis. So we did install the shifter. Darren went with a K-Tune. This is the V2. You can tell it's the V2 because the engraving here. So this shifter, it's really notchy and nice, man. I'm jealous. I'm about to steal and put it in my car. No, I'm just kidding. But it is really notchy. And we did just went with like an eBay bottom plate. Like, come on, bro. I'm not gonna spend 125 bucks for the bottom piece if they're all the same thing. And bro, it mounts the same way, bro. Just save some money, man. I don't know. You could buy it if you want, but that's on you. Alright guys, sorry about the mess. But anyways, this is the part that connects to your sub harness. So it's gonna go on that side. So I'm gonna route this all the way over there. It's gonna go under the carpet, around the heater core, and then all the way over on that side, and then it's gonna be under the carpet as well. I'm gonna take off the footrest so that it could go under that, maybe. We'll see. But anyways, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I will show you guys how I'm gonna run the coolant temp. I'm gonna show you guys everything. If you guys want to follow, that's on you. If it doesn't work for you, that's on you. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. It's a little disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? You mess it up, you mess it up on your own, boy. Well, let's get started. Okay, so first I am looking at hybrid racing step 7. So first it's telling us to set, okay, we are using a type R ECU. A type R ECU, okay? So that means that we're going to have to ground the fuel pump. So it says right here, A16, you have to ground. It's going to be a green and yellow wire. You're going to have to ground that wire. So this is the A plug. You're looking at the back of it, so this is all the wires like are sticking out. So you know, you look for the A plug and then you look for the 16. So this is the A plug. These are the only 2 plugs that are left over from your stock one. So you look at this one, this is the A plug. So you look for A16, which is going to be this one right here, and this is the green and yellow wire. So you're gonna snap it off, you're gonna cut it off, and then you're gonna ground it. I'm gonna ground it to right here, or maybe over there, and then we'll start the rest of the process. Alright, as you can see, I mounted it right there. So that's going to be the fuel pump. For a type RCU, they want you to ground that wire. But if you're not running a type R ECU, then you will connect it to your E plug. Where is it at? Which is this one. And then you'll have a fuel pump, this one right here. It will say fuel pump on it. So I'm going ahead and finish the rest, and I'll show you guys how to do it. So next, you're going to be you need to find the green and red wire, which is the ELD. It will everything is labeled out, so you'll see it. I mean, it's kind of, you can't see it right there, baby. Anyways, so you want this plug. It wants you to connect it to A30, which is going to be, let me just take this off. Maybe I should connect it first. Oh my god, this is a mess. So A30 is going to be on the bottom, and then it's going to be also green and red. So this is 30 right here. It's this one right here. This is green and red. So I like to cut it a little bit longer. gonna do the same. Okay guys, so I already plugged the sub harness up. I got the ECU in, I got all the wires in. It's super simple guys. It's on hybrid racing install guide, so just follow that. And I already put the battery, hold on. So this is kind of ghetto, whatever, but I already put the charge harness. I'm gonna make my own, but I'm using the OEM one for now. I want to see if this motor starts. The battery is dead, and I got it connected. I got the fuse box connected. I also ran another thick wire so that I could just jump start the starter, because like I think the starter little connector is kind of bent, so I'm just gonna tap it with straight power. Yeah guys, I'm gonna put you guys down. Let me see, I don't even know if the fuel pump is gonna run. I don't think you guys can hear, but I'll show you guys. I could hear the fuel pump. The way how you guys will see that it is on. Yes sir. No leaks. No leaks, no leaks. Perfect. I'm gonna try to start it up right now. All right guys, so we're gonna try to turn on this car. Hopefully first try. I jacked up the back because like this car is really low on gas, so I jacked up the back to make it a little higher, so it can, like, you know, ass up, face down, you know what I'm saying? Just like we like it, you know. Anyways, oh bro, I just hope it turns on first try. Anyways, all the injectors are plugged, ground's plugged. I just ghetto rigged the grounds for now. Don't worry, it's gonna look super nice. I use my own battery for my personal car. Fuse box is in. Let's go ahead and turn on this baby. Oh, let's go. Let's turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to let it prime real quick. Okay, I can hear the fuel pump. The fuel gauge look good. Are you ready? Alright, bro. If this shit turns on first try, bro, I don't know what to say. Alright, are you ready? Bro, this is what I'm fucking talking about. Fucking did it first try, bro. Oh my god. Ah, bro, I can't believe it, bro. Oh my god. Alright guys, as you can see, I did something correctly. I did something. Oh man, it feels good, man. It feels good that this car turns on. Now I don't have to worry about it not turning it on, and now I just have to worry about making it look nice, putting it back to normal. And oh bro, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, it feels good, guys. It feels really good. Well, I'll see you guys on the next video, guys.